Hi, it's Shannon here from houseimprovements.com, and today I'm at a renovation and I've got a big old cast iron tub here that needs to be removed. Now this thing probably weighs between 300 and 400 pounds, maybe even a little bit more. It was all I could do to get it away from the wall a little bit once I got the plumbing disconnected, and there's no way I'm going to be able to get this thing out of the room and out of the house by myself. So the easiest way I know of to do that is to bust it up. Now you're going to need definitely some good gloves, because when you start hitting this, the porcelain starts flaking off and you get all these little shards of porcelain. So you want to be careful because they're going to be sharp, so you want some good gloves. You're going to want eye protection, and I'm wearing some long sleeves just for any debris that might be flying. So I'm going to get myself straightened away here and smash this thing out of here. So I've got the back about 1/3 of the tub broken free, and that's at least manageable for one person to get out of the house. Whew, I'm out of breath. So let's just see if we can get another chunk of this tub on the other end broken off, and then I can probably get it out of here in 3 pieces, plus all the shards. Okay, well, I've got it broke into 3 pieces. I may even break this one just in half through the bottom of the tub, but at least they're a lot more manageable to get out of the house. I do have a little more mess to clean up, but there's no way, really, even probably 2 of us would have hauled that tub out of this house like that in 1 piece. So that took maybe, not real sure, 5-6 minutes. And it's probably going to take me at least half an hour just to clean up the mess. Hope this was helpful. Don't hurt your back trying to get one of these out on your own. This is the way to do it.